and just to give you a benefit of what I was trying to say, so we are doing text to speech. Okay, so and remember, I can generate any voice, any you know. Okay, everything seems broken. I don't know what's happening. It normally should not be a problem. Okay, so is text to speech working? So you can say, I don't know Kannada, but let me see if Kannada newspaper. You know, I can't read Kannada, but let me just, I don't know what this is. I say Control C, and we can put it here. Male voice. You know, it's not working, I think. Okay, Control V. Yeah. Did I not click it? I don't know what that is. Synthesis. Oh, but I'm in, you know, this has got a very low bandwidth. So unfortunately, I'm also running this on the background. Oh, it ran into some error. Okay. So okay. So let me just say that you know, you basically I am sorry, so I am going to, because it's already 50 minutes, but you remember that once it trains, it will train properly. Okay, you can play around with this by taking different text at the text, or different here, you know, example data set. There you can put different indices 11, 12, 15, whatever it is, and it will pick up different voice, and you should be able to hear what is being said. Okay, so I think this is, unfortunately, the network is so slow. I think nothing is happening here. Let me just. Okay, so anyway, this now it's too late, so let me just not do it. Okay, so oh, okay. So what I cut and paste came just now. So okay, something came in Kannada. So you can generate any voice, okay, and any gender, and you can, as I told you, even I can have speech to speech, right? So if I say something in something in Gujarati, I don't know, what do you say? Mera Bharat Mahan. Okay, I don't know, it's taking some time. So here, see, there is a speech to speech. So ASR is happening, Hindi is doing the ASR, converting it to Hindi text, then Hindi text is getting converted to Gujarati text, but now Gujarati text has to be converted to a Gujarati voice, correct? And that is basically the TTS part that I am talking about. Okay, so this is basically, it will take some time. I think the network is too slow for you to do, for me to do anything here. So, but you know, it should be, it's still uploading, I think. So you can see it's just now got away. So please bear with me. So anyway, so this is all that you need to try and generate all of this data. Okay, so okay, so I'm just seeing if it will generate before I leave. So otherwise, I hope you enjoyed these 4 weeks of speech part of the lab course. So and if you are interested, there's a lot of material available on our website asr.iitm.ac.in. We also are planning to put some things in the Hugging Face so that you can directly do a lot of these things, including data. And all the best, and I hope wish you the very best for your future also. Okay, thank you. I think this will take some time, so it's just not actually doing anything. So let me just wind up. Okay, so thank you.